Galaxy Z Fold6. The Galaxy Z Fold6 is a testament to Samsung's engineering prowess, featuring a robust and sleek design that embodies premium quality. With a large 7.6-inch AMOLED display on the inside, it offers a tablet-like experience when unfolded. The cover display is a practical 6.2 inches, making it easy to use in a compact form. The design is both elegant and functional, with a refined hinge mechanism.
Thank you very much for watching my channel video. At the end of this video, we are talking about something that can change your life, so watch the video till the end, and if you love your mother so much, then subscribe this channel now to love your mother. So you can subscribe.
That allows for smooth folding and unfolding. Materials and durability. Samsung has employed Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the cover display and back panel, ensuring that the device is resistant to scratches and minor drops. Additionally, the aluminum frame adds sturdiness to the overall structure, while the IPX8 rating offers protection against water immersion. Galaxy Z Flip6. The Galaxy Z Flip6 takes a different approach, embodying a clamshell design that emphasizes portability. When folded, it fits easily into pockets, making it an ideal companion for those on the go. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display is vibrant and immersive, while the external 3.4-inch cover display allows for quick notifications and interactions without needing to unfold the device. Stylish and customizable. Samsung has introduced a variety of color options for the Z Flip6, catering to users who want personalization. The design is chic and modern, appealing to a younger demographic looking for style and functionality. Display technology. Display features. Both devices boast cutting-edge AMOLED technology, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks. They support HDR10+ for enhanced video playback and an impressive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth scrolling and animations. Galaxy Z Fold6 display, inner display, 7.6 inches, QXGA+, 2176x1812, 120 Hz. Outer display, 6.2 inches, HD+, 2316x904, 120 Hz. Galaxy Z Flip6 display, main display, 6.7 inches, FHD+, 2640x1080, 120 Hz. Cover display, 3.4 inches, HD+, 720x748, 120 Hz.
User experience. The expansive inner display of the Galaxy Z Fold6 is perfect for multitasking, allowing users to run multiple apps simultaneously. The Flex mode further enhances usability by allowing the device to stand on its own at various angles, ideal for video calls or media consumption. The Galaxy Z Flip6's cover display supports interactive features, enabling users to respond to messages or check notifications without unfolding the device. This practicality is a significant advantage for those seeking efficiency in their daily routines. Performance. Hardware specifications. Both devices are powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, ensuring top-tier performance and efficiency. This powerful chipset is coupled with generous RAM and storage options to meet the demands of users. Feature. Galaxy Z Fold6. Galaxy Z Flip6. Processor. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. RAM. 12 GB, 8 GB, or 12 GB. Storage options. 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB. 128 GB, 256 GB. Battery capacity. 4,400 mAh. 3,700 mAh. Gaming and multitasking. Both the Z Fold6 and Z Flip6 deliver exceptional gaming experiences, with smooth graphics and fast load times. The ample RAM and powerful processor facilitate seamless multitasking, enabling users to switch between apps without lag. The Fold6, with its expansive display, is particularly advantageous for gamers and professionals alike. Camera capabilities. Camera systems. Both devices feature impressive camera systems that allow users to capture stunning photos and videos. Galaxy Z Fold6 camera, rear cameras, triple setup, 50MP wide, 12MP ultra-wide, 10MP telephoto, front camera, dual, 10MP cover camera and 4MP under-display camera. Galaxy Z Flip6 camera, rear cameras, dual setup, 12MP wide, 12MP ultra-wide. Front camera, 10MP. Photography features. Both smartphones come equipped with advanced photography features such as night mode, super steady video, and multiple shooting modes, allowing users to get creative with their photography. The Z Flip6's cover display also acts as a viewfinder, making it easy to take selfies with the rear cameras. Software experience. One UI and features. Samsung's One UI, based on Android, runs on both devices, providing a user-friendly interface and a host of customization options. The software experience is optimized for foldable displays, with features designed specifically for the unique form factors. Multi-active window. The Fold 6 supports multi-active window, allowing users to run multiple apps on the large screen simultaneously, enhancing productivity. This is particularly useful for professionals who rely on multitasking,